Welcome back. Now we're gonna learn this effect.
人生これ不可解。
Okay, the first thing we have to do is separate person from background. But before that, we have to trim the work area. Right click and trim come to work area and drag your video for your flying person. Duplicate the flying person, drop it to the bottom and rename it to background or PG, and also rename the first one to flying person. And then don't forget to freeze frame the background and search the best pose you want to use. Okay, cut, and there you go. I want to use this movement right over there. Go to effect and preset and drag difference made to your footage and change the layer to PG or background. And now you have to add matte choker and play along with the settings to get your subject perfectly separated from the background. And sometimes you have to do mask to clean up things, just like so. Open your mask properties and click inverted. There you go. And playing along again with the settings. And go to mask to clean up things. Guys, I can do like green screen stuff or blue screen or whatever it is, but I want you to understand the concept to make this effect without green screen. And playing along with color correction so that it can match better in your video, and add a Gaussian blur. So the goal is to make the footage as natural as possible. Well, I can do actually with the green screen and use key light because I have a green wall and just erase the green color. But I don't want to do that simple because I want you to do it without green screen, because this is the cheapest budget possible for you. So the thing you have to do to clean up things is to do, once again, masking. There you can open your mask properties and click subtract. So it is gone. Then turn on again everything. Then second step is color grading. Click new adjustment layer, and I prefer to use Lumetri color. Just make it like orange look, so it looks like hot or something that is created by the laser. And third step is animate the rope. Create solid, call it saber, make it white, click OK, and from effect preset click saber. It is free plugin from Video Copilot, you can download it. Then opacity, change it to 0% for now, because we have to see the video to make it easier to animate the rope. Now animate the mask. So the goal is actually animate the mask like you are really throwing a laser rope to the target. So this might take a while because it's gonna be like trial and error or something. And now turn on the opacity to 100% and change the core type to layer mask. Then you can see the little button over there and change from normal to add and change the color to some kind like orange. And after that, just playing with the settings. Nice. It looks like I'm throwing a rope to another me. It's kind of like natural, just like some little adjustment right here. And add fast blur to your saber footage and set the blurriness like about 3 or 5 or something. Then after that, add turbulent displays, because you know, like straight laser is too perfect, so we're gonna make it like imperfect just a little bit, just to make it as natural as possible, just like so. And rotoscope the head for the final step, because you know I'm throwing it my right hand and it should be behind my head. So duplicate the layer, and what we have to do is just rotoscope the head. Open your mask properties, click subtract. By doing this, we now have separate head layer and also the body. What we need to do is just place saber layer below the head layer, and it is now done. Alright guys, if you like the video, please like, comment, and share, and see you next time.